So this is page number 49 of your textbook. We are going to do today the use of can and cannot. Okay? Read. We can reach the ground in less than 15 minutes. Next is Mayur and Neha can ride their bicycles fast. Mayur's little brother cannot ride a bicycle. Now, children, we can use can to show an ability, what we can do. Okay, like here, we can reach the ground in less than 15 minutes. Okay, so those people can reach the ground. They can go there in 15 minutes. That is their ability. Now here, Mayur and Neha can ride their bicycles fast. Now these two people, that is Mayur and Neha, they know how to ride a bicycle fast and they can ride it fast. Okay, so they can ride a bicycle. It is their ability. They know how to ride a bicycle. Okay, and in the reverse side, Mayur's little brother cannot ride a bicycle. So cannot means he cannot, because the boy is very small, Mayur's little brother. He is small and he cannot ride a bicycle. So it shows what he cannot do. Okay, the ability which he does not have. Where we are going to use can shows the ability. For example, I can read, I can write, I can ride a bicycle. Okay, I can eat, I can run, I can walk. This all shows ability, what I can do. Okay, and opposite of that, what I cannot do, there we are going to use cannot. The things which I don't know how to do. Okay, for example, here the boy is very little, so he cannot ride a bicycle. And Mayur is elder than him, so he can ride a bicycle. He know how to ride a bicycle. So it is written Mayur and Neha can ride a bicycle. Okay, and the little brother, Mayur's little brother, he is very little and he cannot ride a bicycle. Understood, children? Okay, see the pictures here. Complete these sentences on the next page with can and cannot. Look at the pictures for help. Okay, let's go through the pictures, then we will see the sentences. Then the first picture, number 1, a girl is there. She is trying to wear her shoes, but she is not able to wear it. Okay, she is trying. I think the shoes are little smaller, so she is not able to wear it. Let's see the second picture. In the second picture, a girl is there. She is reading. Okay. Let's see the third one. A glass is kept over there. It might be a glass of water or can be a glass of milk. And a little boy is there. He is roaming there, but he is not drinking. Okay. Okay. Let's see the fourth one. A man is there. He is driving a car. Okay. And the next one, fifth one, a picture is there and the boy is standing little away from the picture. Why? Because there is a barrier in between the picture and the boy. Okay. Let's see what are the sentences. Okay. So turn your page, children. This is page number 50 of your textbook. We have gone through the pictures. Now let's see what the sentences are. Okay. Shruti dash wear the shoes. They are too small for her. Now, what was the first picture? A girl was there, you remember? A girl was there, she was trying to wear the shoes. So, we are going to write here, can not. Okay, because in the picture, Shruti, that is the name of the girl, Shruti is trying to wear the shoes, but she is not able to do that. Why? Because the shoes are too small for her. So here we are going to write Shruti cannot wear the shoes. They are too small for her. Let's see the second one. Amita dash read now. She reads a lot of books. So we are going to write here Amrita can read now. She reads a lot of books. Now this is Amita's ability that she reads a lot of books. She is able to read. Okay, when she is able to read, so we are writing here Amita can. That is the ability she can do. She can read books. So we will write here Amita can read now. She reads a lot of books. Okay, let's see the third one. The baby dash drink milk from a glass. She needs her bottle. Now as we have seen in the picture, a glass is kept there and a little baby is there, but she is not drinking anything from that. Okay, so we are going to write here can not. We are going to write cannot here because the baby is very small and she cannot drink milk from the glass. She needs her bottle to drink milk. And so we are going to write here the baby cannot. He or she, that is the baby, cannot drink milk from the glass. She needs her bottle. Okay, children? Now, look at the fourth one. My father dash drive a car. He drives very well. Now, what is given in the fourth picture? A man is there and he is driving a car. So, we are going to write here can. Because the man can drive a car. He is driving a car in the picture and he knows how to drive a car. It is his ability. He can drive. So, we are going to write here my father, can drive a car. He drives very well. Okay, I repeat, my father can drive a car. He drives very well. Okay, now have a look at the fifth one. I dash see the picture clearly. It is too far away. Now what is given in the picture? A picture is there. Okay, and the boy is standing a little behind from that picture, a little far away. Why? Because a barrier was there in between and he cannot cross that barrier. That barrier is made with a ribbon. He cannot cross that and he is not able to see the picture properly. So, we are going to write here cannot. Cannot. Why? Because the little boy is not able to see that picture properly. Why? Because he is standing very far away. So we are going to write here I cannot see the picture clearly. It is too far away. Okay, because of that barrier, the boy cannot go near to the picture and so he is not able to see the picture clearly. So we have written cannot. I cannot see the picture clearly. It is too far away. Okay, let's go through the sentences once again, children. Shruti cannot wear the shoes. Why she cannot wear the shoes? They are too small for her. Second one, Amita can read now. She reads a lot of books. Okay. The baby cannot drink milk from a glass because the baby is very small. She needs her bottle. My father can drive a car. He drives very well. The father knows how to drive a car. So we have written here can. The fifth one, I cannot see the picture clearly. It is too far away. The boy cannot go near the picture. So he's telling that he is not able to see the picture clearly. So we have written I cannot see the picture clearly. Why? Because it is too far away. Okay.